Good to see you, man. Yes. We'll
see you soon.
We'll hook up. We'll hook up some other time.
Yeah, see you soon, Ryan.
I hope so too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good luck with your
Thank you. Yeah, I've got my notes here until February.
So I know you're getting ready too. Perfect. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
You got your lights to where they stay on now?
The only ones that will fly written. Yeah, I do like the new camo one, dude.
Yeah, I like that color better than this one.
But I don't mind this one.
I just like the camo better.
Yeah.
And there's an actual one that looks just like that at Hiller.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah. Hold on a second.
Oh, yeah.
Let me get my. There we go. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
China
I'll
cleared.
go a little ahead this time.
Gear up.
Damn it. Sorry, I got to get my gear right. I mean my.
The L-39 lights are brighter.
They are. The ones on the tip.
Yeah, the light ones are awesome, but the green and red are bright too. The lights are insane when you come out. Look at that.
Oh yeah, you blind you. There we go. There we go. Trying to get my trim to work. That's better. Now I don't have to fight it the whole time.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
One of the few that will actually do that, huh?
I know.
That fan's balanced really well.
My friend Kelly's made out.
Yes.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Fucking fast, dude.
It's got a V10 in that thing.
30 seconds.
Man, we were ripping, man. Jeez.
Crazy, right?
Full speed.
Just so you know, I saw you way behind me. So.
No, I know.
You're the only one I want to call.
9.
I'm following you this time, so I know what you're doing.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
I'm gonna do one
Down.
Touch and go.
touch and
I'll
go
do the same.
with that.
I'll go right behind you.
Trying to do my nose gear off the ground the whole time.
Oh, that's what you're talking about?
Yeah.
The flex bit right there. Oh, shit. I did it too.
It did it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I didn't even never tried it with this.
All right, I'm coming in for good this
Yeah,
time.
I'm coming after you. You want to take which side?
I'll be closest to us. Going around. I can't stop. It wouldn't stop.
See, this jet is really fun for formation.
Oh yeah, it's because it locks in.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna be furthest out so you can taxi closer.
You're gonna go further out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So taxi
I'll stay
close.
inside then. Look at those headlights.
These things are bright. I can't even see it. All I see is lights. Cool.
1 minute over.
Fun.
That's a good way to end the day.
I got one more for the 5.
Go ahead, because you got lights. I don't.
Flaps up.
Good stuff, man.
Yeah, nice flying.
Thank you.
Gear up.
Really cool. Yeah, even with the lights, it's still, you gotta stay on top of it.
Oh, yeah.
It's hard to see.
There was